Okay, so students, now we will prove, okay, this formula a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, what will be the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? Okay, now it is very easy for us, because to have a square we can simply multiply them 2 times. Okay, we can have the formula like this way. Now we simply multiply it inside. See, if I multiply a inside, a into a square, a into b, ab, a into c, ac, plus if I multiply b inside, it will become ba, b into b, that is b square, b into c, that is bc, plus if I multiply c inside, ca, cb and c square. Now if we arrange it properly, first of all we will write the highest power, that is square, a square, b square, c square. So here we have covered these 3 formulas, okay, these 3 terms. Now if we observe AB and BA, so BA and AB are same in multiply. Okay, we can write 2 into 6 equal to 6 into 2. Okay, answer will not change. AB and BA are same, so I can take this as AB. So AB plus AB becomes 2AB. So these 2 get covered. Now BC, it is also BC. So we can write it like this, 2BC. And AC, and this is also AC, so it will become 2AC. That is how we can have the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now there may be some twist in the formula. How? Suppose there is a minus here, then how we can have the formula? We can do it by the same process, and there are some shortcuts also. See, here we have minus, instead of plus we have minus. So in this formula, instead of b, put minus b. So it will be like this, a square minus b square plus c square. 2a, instead of b we will put minus b, instead of b we will put minus b, and here 2ac, we don't have b, so we will not put minus here. Now a square minus b square becomes plus b plus c square. Here we can write plus minus minus, 2ab plus minus minus 2bc, and here we have 2ac. That is how we can have the answer. Okay, now to make it more simple, if you don't want to do this step, you can do it manually also. See, you have to keep in mind this thing, that square terms are always positive. Okay, so if you want to do it directly, you can do it like this. Use all the square term positive. Okay, now as per this formula you have to do 2ab. Now 2ab, now you can see a is positive and b is negative. Whenever we multiply it, we will use this formula, formula plus minus minus. Okay, now 2bc, c is positive, b is negative, again plus minus minus, and 2ac, a is positive, c is positive, so plus plus is plus. That is how you can directly have the answer. Okay, now suppose there is a formula a minus b minus c. whole square. How you will do it? You can do it by the same way. All the square terms are always positive. Now you have to do 2ab. 2ab. Now plus minus 2bc. So minus and minus is plus. 2ac. It is plus and it is minus. So it will be minus 2ac. That is how you can have the answer. Okay, I think you can understand it. It's a very simple concept. Practice it well. We will discuss some other formulas in next video. Till then, practice it well and write me in comment section if you find any difficulty. Do subscribe my channel if you not have subscribed it yet, and like my video and share it if you like it. Thank you.